In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan multiple pages into a single PDF file. If you've ever needed to submit a multi-page document, like a contract, homework, or forms, you'll know how frustrating it can be to end up with 5 or 6 separate files. The goal here is to take all those pages and combine them into one clean, professional PDF that's easy to send, save, and print. To get started, make sure your scanner or all-in-one printer is connected to your computer or mobile device and turned on. Check that your drivers or scanning app are installed and updated. If you're using a built-in app on your computer or phone, open that now. You're looking for the main scanning screen where you can choose things like file type and page size. Before you scan anything, set the output format to PDF. This is important because some scanners default to formats like JPEG or PNG, which are image files and not ideal for multi-page documents. Look for an option called File Type, Format, or Save As, and select PDF. If there's a setting for PDF quality or resolution, choose a middle option like 200 to 300 dpi. That usually gives you a good balance between clarity and file size. Next, look for a setting that mentions multiple pages, document feeder, or combine scans into a single file. On some scanners, this is a checkbox that says something like Scan to a single PDF or Combine into one document. On others, you might need to enable the automatic document feeder if your device has one. Turn that on so each page you scan will be added to the same PDF instead of creating separate files. Now, place your first page on the scanner. If you're using a flatbed scanner, line it up with the guides in the corner. If you have an automatic document feeder, you can often stack all your pages in order and let the machine pull them through. When everything is in place, click or tap the scan button. If you're using a flatbed and scanning one page at a time, the software will usually show you a preview and ask if you want to add another page. Choose the option to add or scan another page. Then place the next sheet on the glass and repeat the scan. Continue this process until you've scanned all of your pages and they appear in the preview as a single, multi-page document. Once all pages are scanned, take a moment to review them. Make sure they're in the correct order, none are upside down, and the text is clear. If something looks off, most apps let you delete a page and rescan it. When you're happy with the result, click Save or Finish. Choose a file name that clearly describes the document and pick a folder where you'll easily find it later. Finally, open the saved PDF to double-check everything. Scroll through each page to confirm it's all there in one file. At this point, your multi-page document is ready to email, upload, or print as needed.